Give me a hell yeah!
Hello everyone! It's been a while. Kamusta? You know, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our regularly scheduled Viva Max review, and it is our time for our bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And today we are going to be reviewing the latest Viva Max original movie, Salsa ni El. So all of you my virgins and simps, tingnan natin ano masasabi natin dito, mga virgins and freaks, sa pelikula na to. Yeah, after 1 week na hindi ako nag-publish kasi lahat in advance ko in a week. So yeah, I'm back after my week break. It turns out na yung migration naging smooth. Walang issue and I'm proud of that. Nagkaroon, pero nung loading may issue during the deployment, pero post-deployment wala naman nangyari. And I also want to update everyone on my current health condition. So I'm suffering a severe back pain lately, and it is found in my x-ray na yung aking likod medyo bent over na paggilid. So it's like I'm bending over sideways pag tumatayo ako in a certain period of time. Now, when it comes to the ortho na nag-asikaso sa akin, unfortunately, wala siya kanina. I'm going to try to return on Friday because I still have some scheduling. My work ako, syempre, kailangan ko planuhin. Kailangan ko magastos pumunta sa ospital, lalo sa Grab. So, if I met my ortho successfully last Friday, siguro sa Friday yung pinamataas na chance na ma-meet ko siya. Anyway, Maxicare naman ako. So, I did publish a video regarding Maxicare. And it turns out smooth. Pag PWD ka siguro, ilalabas nila na may care ang Maxicare. So, kung di nyo pa napapanood, may post na binent out yung kaibigan ko sa Facebook, and I decided to react to it via YouTube para pagkakitaan. So, ayun. Okay, without any lingering pa, if you like my review of Salsa ni El, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And of course, your smack Daddy King is here, and we are here to review Salsa ni El. So, Salsa ni El, ang premise dito is, ang maganda dito is, nag-ano siya, tawag dun, 1 hour lang yung duration niya. And hindi pa 1 hour kasi pag tinanood mo sa general release ng Viva Max, may trailer pa, plus may credits pa, diba? So it's less than 1 hour. And it's such a feel good vibe movie. And according na sa mga balita, ito ata yung last mature scene ni Miss Christine Bermas. Pero tingnan natin. Last time sinabi yung salisihan ba yun is yung last ni Angelica. Pero di ba nagkaroon pa ng unang tikim, nagkaroon pa ng uhaw. So baka hindi pa ito yung last. Baka ito yung last ni Christine Bermas for now. She will take some endeavor time off muna sa mga mature scenes kasi alam niyo naman, nasa Will to Win siya, etc. Or yun nga, baka di na siya bumalik like ni Ayana. Sayang naman, we are looking at some glorious talent kasi kay Christine Bermas na mawawala. And yung naging partner dito si Shandy Guzman. Okay, so Christine Bermas plays the role of a dancer named Lady Love. Yun yung according sa credits. Lady Love yung meaning ng L. And throughout the movie hindi nabanggit naman anong meaning ng ano eh, nung L sa salsa ni L, pero sa credit sinabi Lady Love. And she is partnered with Lucas. So si Lucas matagal nang may gusto kay L at gusto pa nga niyang ano eh, gusto niya makipagtalik. Nagpapantasize siya habang nakikipagsayawan siya ng salsa dito kay L, eh nakikipagtalik siya kay L. Meanwhile, meron silang secretary dito, si Zinia, si Johnny Calazzo. We last saw Johnny Calazzo sa mga hits like ano ba yung hits? Balin sa sayaw, yun. Yun, Balin sa sayaw ba yun? Oo, saka Back Rider, yeah, nandun siya. And ito yung ating third movie niya. Good job for her. At siya si Zinia, parang clerk nung dance club Salsa with Pride ata yung pangalan, ewan ko, ni Lady Love. Ayan. Si Lady Love, meron siyang secret admirer na nireregaluhan siya. So isang rich boy na nalaman natin ang pangalan ay si Alan. Yung unang akala ni L ay si Lucas, yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng gifts, pero yung pala hindi. Gifts are ranging from range of jewelry to money, ayun. At ito naman si Lucas, siyempre nagselos at ginawang parausan itong si Zinia. So, yeah, yun yung progression ng movie. Nagsiselos si Lucas, nagkipagtalik kay Zinia, while the courtship ni Alan, played by Jeffrey Hidalgo, the secret admirer ni L, culminated naman through a meetup. So, nag-meet up na si L sa si Alan. Turns out he is rich and they had segs during the night nung first time nila nag-dinner. Yung unang segs nila, sexing is they were dancing salsa and the allure of L dancing turned on Alan and they have sex. And then the next morning, probably the best scene na alam ko dito, aside from the second scene between Shandy Guzman and Johnny Calazzo, is yung si L nagkikipagtalik kay Alan at decides sa swimming pool. And that's it. Then, suddenly, the movie takes a rough turn. Like a heel turn. Itong si Alan nag-turn heel. So, akala niya si L nagtataksil sa kanya kasi akala niya boyfriend ni L itong si Lucas. Kasi si Lucas, napaka-simp niya kay L at kinukontak pa rin niya si L. Nag-aalala, akala tuloy ni Alan na niloloko siya tuloy ni L, and then decides to abuse her. Nakarating si Lucas, I don't know how Lucas got the address, siguro by GPS, and then a fight ensues, and then natalo itong si Alan, and then L struck the final blow, ending the movie with a dance between L and Lucas. Tapos nagtalik sila and then they dance at the stairs. And yeah, that's Salsa ni L. Pretty basic storytelling, walang masyadong malaki, pero napakaganda ng mga mature scenes niya to the na humanga ako. I mean, considering the fact na si Shandy Guzman yung partner ni tawag doon, considering the fact na si Shandy Guzman partner ni Bermas, I think we should give him some flowers. Now, I've been to do sa new tier dito sa ating tier list, at yun ay ang yan, we got a new tier. It's called That Damn Good. It's a Triple H reference. It's like Below Will Bang Okay after the more fun stuff. Yeah. So, where do we put Salsa ni L in this predicament? I am aligned to give Salsa ni L into the nasa uring ganap tier. It's not that much, but it's pretty much the flat line pagdating sa mga 1-hour movies ng Viva Max. Ayun. Okay, so for that matter, eh, yeah, we'll see you on the next. We'll see you on the next review, because we are going to be reviewing on Friday Tahong Muscle, and that is starring Salome Salvi, John and Marcia, and Candy Veloso at Nerf Salome Salvi. Nakita niyo yung mga pelikula niya sa Hub? Holy sh!